So this is our lovely home in winter time, early December. Dolly is parked outside, even though the first snowfall is going to be tonight, because our garage is completely inaccessible. The construction workers are using this as their workspace. So this is the other side, old insulation. All the boxes with all of our cabinets are ready to go. Maybe. That's where our old door used to be. And this is where our new door is. They're putting in some electrical work. They did move the garage door openers to the new door. They put in some drywall. This is where the L shape used to be. Oh yeah, we got a hole in the ceiling, so that's nice. And then inside is our new space. It is now drywalled. But from the other side, this is where all the new stuff is. This line right here is where the wall used to be. And this is our new space. Lots of outlets, the new window. Our refrigerator is going to go over here. They're putting in some data lines for our wireless router. They're going to be hanging up lights, recessed lighting, which is really nice. Right now we have a light bulb hanging from the ceiling. This is where our washer and dryer is going to be, so they did the hookups for that. Our new dryer vent. So we have a lot to do, but I think it's going to be very, very nice when it's all done.